Hello, everybody. So, the summer has finally arrived, and so has my opportunity to invite you to the Sacred Space seminar and workshop happening on July 6th at Krishna Temple, Zurich, in person. It's organized by the College of Vedic Studies, and like last year, I have the honor of being the facilitator for this seminar and workshop. And it's the second year that we are doing this together, and it has been a great transformational tool for myself personally, but also those who had joined us last year. And the funny thing is that we hear the word sacred space, we throw it around like confetti. But how much do we recognize the importance of consciously developing our sacred space? Sacred space is an element where we connect with the divine. It is both external and internal, without and within. And on the outside, a sacred space can mean the temple, our altar space, our ritual space, some people, the forest, somewhere we can find that divine connection. However, there is a sacred space even within us, that space where we connect with the divine. And it is so important, in a world which is so restless, in a world where we face challenges, where we face people who make us feel less of ourselves. In a world which is consuming fast fashion, fast food, where do we find our foundation? What do we do essentially to find our foundation? So, Sacred Space Seminar and Workshop is essentially looking at the tools that we can help ourselves with to find that divine connection and feel so full, have that rich inner life. It is part of this inner life series that I offer. It feels like for me a life purpose, because enriching my inner life has been game changer for me. It has been the reason why my bliss has maxed out, why connections have gotten deeper. So this essentially feels like a life purpose for me, and I'm happy to share with you sacred space where you can look at that divine connection, developing it, being conscious about it, acknowledging it both without and within. So please come join us on July 6th, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.